children, welcome to our numerals lesson today. This lesson was produced by Rwanda Education Board with support from UNICEF. My name is Teacher John. This lesson is from Unit 6, Primary 4 Mathematics. Dear adults, we still appreciate your support during these radio learning lessons. Dear children, make sure you have your notebook and a pen. You have few seconds to pick them for those who don't have them yet. Welcome back, dear children. Now, let us review what we learned in the previous lesson. Dear children, what did we learn in our previous numerals lesson? Very good. In our previous numerals lesson, we learned about the introduction to length measurements. We learned about the introduction to length measurements. We learned about the units of length. And these included the non-standard units, which include pace, foot span, arm span, and the hand span. We also learned that the standard unit of length is a meter, with other units as kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Friends, let me hope you did your homework. Let me hope you measured the length of your living room using both the non-standard units and the standard units. And in today's lesson, friends, we will learn about converting units of length. We will learn about converting units of length. But first, let us have a break. We'll be back shortly.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, dear children. Like I said before the break, in today's lesson, we will learn about converting units of length. Dear friends, let us remind ourselves what is the standard unit of length. Very good. The standard unit of length is a meter. Remember, today we will learn about converting units of length. This requires us to remember the following order of units of length. This requires us to remember the following descending order of the units of length. The order is a kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. The units have been arranged in descending order. Remember, in our previous lesson, we learned that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And 1 hectometer equals 100 meters. 1 decameter equals 10 meters. And 1 decimeter equals 0.1 meters. That means a tenth of a meter. And 1 centimeter is 0.01 meters. That means 1/100 of a meter. And finally, 1 millimeter equals 0.001 meters. And that means 1/1000 of a meter. This is very important to know when converting units. Today's focus will be mainly converting other units to meters, which is our standard unit. In today's lesson, the main focus is converting other units to meters, which is the standard unit. Let us have a break. We'll be back shortly with some examples. Let us have a break. We'll be back shortly with some examples.
Come along.
Welcome back, dear children. Let us have our examples. Convert 2 kilometers to meters. Example 1. Convert 2 kilometers to meters. Can you give it a try, friends? Very good. To convert 2 kilometers to meters, we need to first know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Therefore, to convert 2 kilometers to meters, we multiply. Therefore, 2 kilometers equals 2 times 1,000. Friends, what is 2 times 1,000? Very good. 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. Therefore, 2 kilometers converted to meters, 2 kilometers equal to 2,000 meters. 2 kilometers equal to 2,000 meters. Example 2. Convert 100 centimeters. Example 2. Convert 100 centimeters to meters. Remember, 1 centimeter equals 0.01. Remember, 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meters. 100 centimeter will equal to 100 times 0.01. And 100 times 0.01, you remember 0.01 is 1 over 100. And therefore, our answer is 1 meter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Well done, friends. Let us have our last example, example 3. Convert 37 hectometers to meters. Convert 37 hectometers to meters. 1 hectometer equals 100 meters. Therefore, 37 hectometers are gotten by multiplication with 100. Therefore, 37 hectometers equals 37 times 100 meters. This gives 37 hectometers as 3,700 meters. 37 hectometers equals 3,700 meters. Now, let us have a short break. When we come back, be ready to try out some questions on your own. Now, let us have a short break. When we come back, be ready to try out some questions on your own.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, dear children. Can you convert the following? A. 12 decameters to meters. A. 12 decameters to meters. B. 12 kilometers to meters. You have few seconds to do so. Well done, friends. I hope you have finished. Dear friends, do you remember what a decameter is? Dear friends, do you remember how many meters are in a single decameter? Very good. There are 10 meters in 1 decameter. 1 decameter equals 10 meters. And now, 12 decameters that we are to convert will equal to 12 times 10 meters. And that gives us 120 meters. Therefore, 12 decameters equal to 120 meters. Flowers to those who tried out. And for question B, friends, 22 kilometers, to convert them to meters, we need to remember that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. We need to remember that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And that means 22 kilometers equal to 22 times 1,000. And that gives us 22,000 meters. And that gives us 22,000 meters. Before we end our lesson, let us review what we have learned today. Before we end our lesson, let us review what we have learned today. In today's lesson, we have learned about converting other units of length to meters as the standard unit of length. In today's lesson, we have learned about converting other units of length to meters as the standard unit of length. In today's lesson, we have learned about converting other units of length to meters as the standard unit of length. We have learned that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, 1 hectometer equals 100 meters, 1 decameter equals 10 meters, 1 decimeter equals 0.1 meters, 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meters, and 1 millimeter equals 0.001 meters. And to get to the equivalent meters in other unit, we multiply the number of meters as a single unit. And to get the equivalent meters in other units, we multiplied with the number of meters a single unit contains. We multiplied with the number of meters a single unit contains. For example, when we converted 2 kilometers, we multiplied with 1,000 meters because 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. For your homework, dear friends, convert the following to meters. For your homework, dear friends, convert the following to meters. 130 millimeters, 16 hectometers, and 15 centimeters. Convert the following to meters. 130 millimeters, 16 hectometers, and 15 centimeters. Convert all those to meters. That is it for today. Thank you for participating. Remember to join us for our next numerous lesson. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you